Do 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 do. Right then, so I'm going to show you all my Rubik's cubes that I have in my office right here. Yeah, these are all the Rubik's cubes that I have right here. And don't look at those slippers. They're mine. Those are my slippers. So let me take you look at all of them. But don't go mix them up, though. So yeah, I'm just going to show you all of these Rubik's cubes I have right here. You can't see them, but hey, let me show you all the Rubik's cubes I have. Yeah. The first one is the Pyramex cube. It's quite cool. As you can see, it's only got 4 sides, but I still like it. It's really cool. I like how it turns and everything. See how cool it is. I'm not going to mix it up too much. I'm just going to turn some parts. Yeah. So yeah, that's the first one there. So that's the first cube that I have. Okay, now on to the second cube. So apparently they call it like a square. And it's really weird because you do this. It's kind of weird. Yeah, this is called square, half square, half web. So, like, look at this. For some, like, why does this actually exist? It's quite like, it's a bit cool. I like it. And it's also a bit weird. Like, why are these things on there? Why is it like a square? Like, is it a web or square? Make your mind up! Make your mind up! R.I.P. all headphone users. I do not want to mix this up. I'm just gonna turn it. Mom, if you're watching this, I'm not mixing this up. I'm just turning it. But as you can see, it moves in different directions. Now let's get the next one. This is called a square one. Oh, these corners. Yeah, the corners there. And my mom did something wrong, but hey, they're mostly the same. Yeah, mostly the same. So, yeah, at least we got that done. So, this is another cool one. It's weird how it moves, because you have to, like, move like this. What? Okay, this is another cool one. Now we have these two, which are the same, but they're different. They're both 2x2s, as you can see. Right there. And yeah, they're just both the same, but they're just a bit different though. So, yeah. So again, like the 2x2 cubes, these ones are the 3x3s. They're technically the same. You have these ones like I'm sure all of you know how they like turn them. They turn like this and everything. So yeah, they're pretty cool. Now I'm gonna move on to the 4 and 5. So behind my ear is in 4, and it's the same with the 2x2. Where it's just like grab these 2 blocks. Boom. Cool. And also this is the 5. Kind of same but different. And I like all these cubes here, these next two. So these are the next two, and this one, I should say you should not mess this up. Let me tell you a story about this. No, stupid boy. So one day I want to do a pattern, like mix this up and do a pattern to it so that when it looks like it's all mixed up, I can do a pattern so so if I do this and it's all mixed up like this then that there, like oh my goodness, where is it? Like how you solve it. But when I mix it up it would go back to normal. But I accidentally went wrong on my mom. I told my mom and okay, so this next part, I'm gonna scream really loud, and this is how my mom would do it, so I'm sorry for all your headphone users out there. Prepare yourselves. You have been warned. And I know what this is not kind of Rubik's Cube, but it's very similar to Rubik's Cube here. So you see this top part here? All I have to do is just put this part in and change it there. Now I know I have to do it, just bring it back. So yeah, that's all the Rubik's Cubes I have. And if you want to know how to get them, well, here's how you get them, everyone. So all you have to do is just click on the Amazon logo and just click any of the Rubik's Cubes that you see here. Click this one, for example. 2 days later, and boom, you have your Rubik's Cubes.